prime factors, you can look at prime numbers, prime factors, index notation. Let's start with prime numbers. Now 2 is a prime number. Why it is a prime number? Because we can write 2 as 1 times 2. So we got a factor 1 and the factor itself, nothing else. Similarly 3 is a prime number because we can write 3 as 1 times 3. And 5 is a prime number, we can write 5 equal to 1 times itself. Now let's list all the prime numbers up to 50. So the first prime number is 2. The next one is 3, 5, 7. It's only 2 is the even one. All the others now are going to be the odd ones. So 3, 5, 7. The next one is 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. So these are the prime numbers up to 50 or less than 50. So there is no formula or anything, you just have to learn them. Now we look at the index notation. Index notation is a short way of writing, like 2 times 2 times 2. You can just write as 2 to the power 3. That's what the word index means, power. If you have a number 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically it's 3 to the power 5. So each 3 there has a power 1. Then we just add their powers. So we can, if we have a 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 2, we can write as a single term. We just add the powers. So 4 plus 2 on the top, so it's 2 to the power 6. Now we can look at prime factors. So we can use division method. So we write the number 20 here. Then we just divide. You always start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then we can divide it by 2 again. So the answer is 5. So this is a prime number, this is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number, so we stop. Therefore 20 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5. Or we can write as 2 to the power 2 times 5. 30. Again we start dividing by 2, so the answer is 15. Now with the next prime number is 3, so we divide 15 by 3. Now this is a prime number, so we stop. So 30 is equal to 2 times 3 times 5. All of these factors are prime numbers. 3, so we have 36, divided by 2, we get 18, divide by 2 again, we get 9. Then we divide by 3, we get 3. Now this number is a prime number, so we stop. So therefore 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Or we can write as 2 squared times 3 squared. Then number 448, same method, divide by 2, the answer is 24. Divide by 2 again, the answer is 12. Divide by 2 again, answer is 6. Divide by 2 again. Now it's 3. It's a prime number, so we stop. So therefore 48 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, then times 3. Which also can be written as 2 to the power 4 times 3. Now number 2, so we have to write 180. So we divide by 2, we got 90. Divide by 2, we got 45. Then divide by 3, we got 15. Divide by 3 again. We get 5, now we stop. So 180 is equal to 1, 2, so the 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 3 times 5. So we have 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 1. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. Try this exercise yourself. When you've done it, then watch the clip. 12 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 to the power 2 times 3. 28, 2 times 2 times 7. 56, 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. 60, start with 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 squared times 3 times 5. 360 divided by 2 we get 180. Divide by 2 we get 90. Divide by 2 we get 45. Divide by 3 we get 15. Divide by 3 we get 5. Then we stop. 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power 3. 3 to the power 2 times 5. So therefore x is equal to 2, 3. Y is equal to 2 and Z equal to 1. Prime factors of 24. Now this is the division method. So we write 24, then we start dividing from the first prime number, which is 2. Because even number we divided by 2 again. 6 we can divide it by again. Then it's 3. Because a prime number we stop. So 24 is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 3. Or we can use a tree method. So we start with 3 with 24. Now we split into two factors. One of them has to be prime, so that's 2. And it's 2 times 12. Because this is a prime number, we stop. But we split the 12 into two factors. 2 times 6. Then we split 6 to 2 times 3. Now this is a prime number, prime number, prime number, and we stop. This is another one. Factors of 32. So we use a tree method. So we start with 32. So the first factor, prime number, is 2. And it's 2 times something like 32 is 16. Then we split 16. It's 2 times 8. Now we split 8. 2 times 4. Finally we split 4 into 2 times 2. So we stop. So prime number, and prime number. So 32 is equal to 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.